I'm doing this video because nobody else has.
George the Tech.
Okay, well, Zoom has updated their software once again. I don't have my Zoom set up to install the latest updates. I like to wait until it's had bug fixes and then allow those updates to install. And even then I do it manually, right? I'm very careful about how I use my Zoom. I use it every day. It's part of how I run my business. It's how I provide tech support. It's crucial. So I don't let it auto update. So I finally decided to try out version 5.14. Blah, blah, blah. Well, what is the latest version truly at this moment? The version I'm running here is 5.14.10. So that theoretically means there's been 10 patches to version 5.14 since it came out. Now, what is different in this version? Let's take a look. It's all about sound here, of course, and that's what we care about here at George the Tech. Let's take a look at our settings and go to audio, and let's see what's new here. Live performance audio. It's a beta, so I guess I did install something with beta in it, but it's recommended for multiple instruments or voices in different locations. Now, all the details they will give you is what you see when you mouse over the little question mark. Reduces audio lag during live performances when musicians are on separate Zoom clients. Well, of course they're going to be on separate Zoom clients, right? Requires high-speed internet or call quality will be significantly reduced. Well, that's what we'd expect anyway, right? If the internet goes bad, we want the quality to degrade so we can stay connected. Okay, that's fine. So that's live performance audio. Does it give you any more information than that? Not that I can see. If I click on advanced, nothing more to read here, just the usual echo cancellation algorithm, which is either auto or aggressive. That's all you get. Now, let's take a look at what happened to our original sound for musicians, and are these related? Well, we don't know, because all you get is a radio button that chooses between these two. It's a toggle. So when you're in live performance audio, is it also in high fidelity music mode? Don't know. Is it using echo cancellation? Don't know. Is it stereo? Don't know. So there you go. This is the way Zoom rolls out audio features. One of the things that Zoom said was going to be a part of this new version is the ability to persistently store your channel assignments. So anybody that's been using Zoom and taking advantage of the channel assignment feature knows how frustrating it's been that you could not have your channel assignments persistent, meaning every time you would join a Zoom session or even change audio input settings, you would have to change your channel assignments. It says here that persistent audio channel selection is one of the new features. However, I go into Zoom, I look where the channel selection feature existed, and it was right here, right above audio profile, and it's gone. It's no longer there. So here I am, hoping to have the channel selection feature available and persistent. And not only that, it's just plain gone. I don't see it anywhere. Certainly it's not going to be in the general menu. That would be plain silly. It's not in the video menu. That would also be silly. Really, it'd be silly for it to be anywhere other than audio. So did they hide it somewhere else? Let's look at microphone and choose our input channel, chat. That's my input channel from my Rodecaster Pro 2. There's no other channel selection capable there. Let's try our mute microphone input menu area and see if it's somewhere buried in there. Just the testing things are there. Audio settings just takes us back here. So anyway, this was supposed to be a tutorial on how to use Zoom properly. And yet, with this version, 5.1.4.10, I can't choose channels, let alone have those channel selections be persistent. If anybody has any comments, please leave them below. If I'm crazy, tell me if I'm missing it. And if you want to yell at Zoom in chorus with me, we know how to get a hold of them through the folks at officehours.global, because Zoom comes and guests. Representatives of Zoom come and guests on there all the time, and we have probably a pretty good chance of getting somebody's attention. So let me know. Anyway, this is just a slight rant / tutorial or something. I don't even know what this video is. Anyway, George the Tech. Come find me at georgethe.tech and my whole tech team, where we provide performance-friendly techs. Take care.